Good morning students, welcome back to my science online class. Today we will learn a new chapter from your science book, which is chapter 8, body movement. Okay, so all of you open your books, page number 65. See, body movements. Introduction. Number 1, movements. Number 2, human body and its movements. Number 3, joints and movements. Number 4, human skeletal system. Number 5, movement in other animals. Here in this chapter we are going to learn all these topics. Okay, so let's start. Movements. Even when we are sitting in one place, a number of movements are taking place in our body. We are blinking our eyes from time to time, we are breathing, we are moving our hands or legs, etc. In every time, movements are happening in our body, like we blink our eyes time to time, we can move our hand, we can move our leg, we can move our head, etc. These are the movements. We walk from one place to another by moving our legs. How can we go to this place to this place? By walking. And walking, how it happen? By moving our legs. If we do not move our legs, we cannot walk like that, and hence our legs are moving, so because of that we can walk and we can go to a place to another places. Understand? Animals also move from one place to another in different ways. They walk, run, fly, jump, hop, creep, crawl, slither and swim. So like human being, animals, some different animals also move to one place to another place but in different ways. They walk, run, fly, jump, hop, creep, crawl, slither and swim. So these are the movements they take to move from one place to another place. Okay, different movements of animals. See, what are the movements of animals? Horse, body parts, legs. Movement, walk, they walk to move from one place to another place. Snake, whole body, they use whole body to move. Slither, the movement of snake is slither. Okay, fish, body part, fins, tail, they use fins and tail to move. Movement, their movement is known as swim. They swim to move one place to another place. Bird, wings, birds use wings. The body part which is used by bird in movement is wings. Okay, and their movement is fly. Human, body part, legs, movement, walk. Animal, ant, body part, legs and movement, crawl. Grasshopper, hind legs, movement, jump. They jump to move one place to another place. Okay, now see fact to know. Penguin and ostrich cannot fly. These are the animal which cannot fly. Penguin and ostrich. Remember this, they can only walk. They walk to move one place to another place. Okay, human body and its movement. See, what are the movements happens in our body. Let us first look at our body movements before studying in details about the movements in animals. So first we have to look at our body movements. Some parts of our body can move more than the others. Some parts can move in more than one direction. We can move a body part more than one direction, not only in one direction, we can move that body part in different directions, whereas some can move only in one direction. See, bones cannot move by themselves. The muscles have the ability to move. Bones cannot move by themselves because they are hard. So that they cannot move by themselves. To move the bones, we have to take help of some other muscles. The muscles have the ability to move. Muscles have the ability to move. They can move. Muscles attached to the bones by tough tissue called tendons. Muscles attached to the bones. Muscles are attached to the bones by tough tissue known as tendons. Okay, tendons. When muscles contract, they pull the bones and make them move. So bones cannot move by themselves. When a muscles contract, then they pull the bones and make the bone move. The muscles work in pairs. Muscles cannot work singly. They work in pairs. To move a bone in one direction, two sets of muscles are needed. To move a bone, two sets of muscles are needed. When one muscle contracts, the bone is pulled in that direction. In this muscle movement, this muscle contracts, right? And this muscle relax. And in this, see, this muscle relaxes and this muscle contracts. Okay, so when one muscle contracts, one muscle relaxes. Thus muscles move bones only by contracting and never by relaxing. A muscle cannot push, it can only pull. Thus two muscles have to work together to move a bone. Underline this sentence. Two muscles have to work together to move a bone. To move a bone, two muscles is needed. Two muscles are needed. Understand? See activity 1. Bend your elbow up and down. Like that, up and down. You have to move your elbow. You will be able to do it easily. Yes, we can do it without any resistance. Now ask someone to tie a ruler lengthwise on your elbow. If you put a ruler lengthwise here, try to bend your elbow again. If you put this ruler here and try to bend your elbow, you cannot, because a resistance is present which resists our elbow movement. Okay, so students, it's your today's class. I hope you all understand this class. If you have any confusion, contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.